Okay, so we are going to change the spider arm. So we are going to use the new one now. But before we install the new one, we are going to paint it with anti-rust. Okay, similar to this. This is anti-rust. Okay, the bigger one is inside. The smaller one is outside. size 17. Okay, so before we put it in, we apply some thread lock. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Okay guys, so we have already assembled the motor. We have also assembled the belt, already connected to the water supply. Okay, this is the water supply. And we have also connected the power supply. So we are going to do a test without any load. So we are going to spin and we're going to see the sound generated. Okay, summary of the machine, what have been done. So we have basically completely tore down the entire washing machine, clean all the parts. We have changed the drum bearing in and out and also the oil seal. And we have also changed the motor bearing in and out. We have also replaced the motor carbon brush, and then we have also changed 2 new shocks. We assembled everything back together. So now we are spinning it at 1000 RPM. The running in period was considered done when the carbon brush was new with the commutator of the rotor. So let it reach the optimum speed. We will measure the sound released by the drum and the sound released by the motor at the same location. For the drum will be at the center, for the motor will be here. So hope this video have shown you a way on how you can maintain your washing machine which has been in operation for more than 5 years, and also how to take care of the hygiene of the washing machine. Till we meet again, we wish you all the best and stay safe.